Hi guys, what's up and how's everyone's New Year so far? Mine is great. It's just flying by so quick. We're already almost done with January. Nothing to wear. I don't know where I got this from, but I don't know what to wear. And today I'll be opening up, well, my zipper was open, so everything just came out of my IPSY bag. So here is this month's bag, and it looks like a shoe because of all these. I'm personally not a fan of these kind of, oh, I like the way it has IPSY on it. It's like a plastic. Yeah, I'm not a fan of this kind of stuff. If someone like is into workouts and is into like those kind of shoes, then maybe you might like it. It's all green inside. It's a cool concept, but for me it's not. But it's so cute. And this is this month's theme, which is game face. It's just like just a bunch of New Year's stuff, and it also has this side that says what will you conquer. So I will conquer whatever. So I will conquer, I don't know, sometimes I get anxious and stuff, like a little bit, or like, I don't know, kind of panic. So I'm trying to conquer that. And then these items, well, first this was out in a little pink bubble mailer, and this like has a lot of product in it. I was surprised. It's like really big. This is a coffee scrub. I could already smell it, and it's coconut, so it's gonna be coffee and coconut. So sexy skin is just a scrub away. I'm filled with antioxidants, minerals, and essential oils which help neutralize the effects of aging, drying, and dead skin. Each of my ingredients work together to moisturize, exfoliate, and protect you from residual dirt and damage. Recommended use 1 to 2 times per week, and you leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse it off, and then feel different on your face. So if you use this, make sure you use the hashtag the original coffee scrub. The other skin item that I got is this charcoal wash off mask. I've been wanting one of these. I mean, I have a bunch of wash off and a bunch of powdered mask, but I really want to use this soon. And it says thoroughly clean and dry your skin, open sachet, and massage a generous amount of mud treatment evenly over face, neck, and body area, avoiding eyes and lips. Leave on approximately 15 minutes, rinse off. So you don't have to add anything to it, it's just a mask. See, I have charcoal mask, but like it's powder and I have to add water to it. It removes impurities from clogged pores and lifts away dead skin cells and all that. So yeah, since it is winter, like I usually get dry around this area and under my eyes. So hopefully this helps with that. I love getting skin items in IPSY. The next item in here is super tiny, and I'm not keeping it for myself because it's personally too light for me. It's this Mary-Lou Manizer from the Balm, and it's a luminizer highlight. So light. It's pretty, but it's super light, and I personally wouldn't want to put it on, so I already told someone that I'm giving them this, and it's super tiny, so hopefully they don't get mad at me. Then number 3 was a liquid lipstick, but I wasn't gonna keep it for myself because personally I have too many of the same color, and I'm not into that pinky kind of color. I'll leave a picture right here. That lipstick, it's from So Susan, and it was in the color Raisin Flesh. I've never tried any of their lipsticks before, so I don't know how it is, but I'm giving it to someone else, so that's why I didn't open it. I already gave it to them. And then to make up for it, I have one more thing. It's a lip product, and I redeemed this for my points, and it's from Make, and it's a lip gloss in the color Abalone. And it's so tiny. I thought it would be bigger. Like the liquid lipstick was like super huge, but this is tiny. I don't mind. The lipstick was in the same color as this, and this is a gloss though. Ooh. Oh god, no, why? It smells like mint, and mint gives me a big ass headache. So hopefully after I apply this doesn't mess with my fucking brain. This is what the applicator looks like. I actually want to put this on right now. I'm just gonna hope that it does not bother me. It's super pretty. It's not sticky. See, I never wear gloss because I feel like they're gonna be sticky, but I like it. I don't have a gloss in this color, so I'm glad I got this. It's currently not bothering me, and hopefully it doesn't bother me. When I think it was like 450 or 500 points. I have a bunch of IPSY points, so I'm like, oh, I'll get a gloss. Kind of want to get into them again. The last item is from Bellapierre Cosmetics, and it's the Stay Put Brow Gel. Yeah, and I've never used anything like this before. So over here is the little brush, and then you just put it in like that, and then you open it up. There was a seal on it, but I already took it off and kind of played with it. So yesterday I put some on my hand and it was staying there. Like, I washed my hands and it was still there, so it's gonna stay on your brows for a while. You just dip it in and you just dry it onto your face. So I'm gonna swatch a little bit. This is in the color Licorice, which is the dark one. You could have gotten this one or the lighter one. I love that IPSY is like so good with skin tones and stuff. Like, I've gotten little foundations, and it always matched me. I always have brow pencils match me. So yeah, this is in the color Licorice, and I'm excited to use this. I was gonna use it today, but I totally forgot. On right now I have is things from my BoxyCharm. I love this highlight. Look at it. Oh my god. It's from Pure. I love the things I got in my BoxyCharm, and I'm also using a luminizing primer, so I'm glowy all along. So that was all the mask I adore. I love skincare items. Of course, this I'll be using. This, I love the brow pencil. I know it lasts long, so the brow gel. So I'll use that, of course. And the lipstick I already gave away, but I can't tell you much about it. It's gone. And then this I'm giving away also. Overall, it was a really nice IPSY, and just the bag, I'm probably just gonna give it to someone as well. But I love the theme, game face, and it'll like conquer. I love how they brought the new year in. And if you have any questions about the IPSY's cashback program that they have, or how to redeem points, like I redeemed this, and I also show you guys how to redeem points in my previous IPSY video, the one I did for December. If you have any further questions, leave them down below and I'll answer them the best of my ability. Anything else you guys want to talk about, leave it down below. Tell me how your month's going. Tell me what you got in your IPSY, and let me know how it worked out for you. And I will see you guys in the next one.